In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop or manage Amazon marketing emails. Whether you're looking to reduce the clutter in your inbox or just want to regain control over your digital communications, understanding how to adjust these settings is essential. First, of course, you'll need to sign in to your Amazon account. If you're not already logged in, head over to the Amazon website and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to a specific section in your account settings to manage this. Hover over Accounts and Lists and click on Your Account. This is the hub where you can manage all aspects of your Amazon experience. From here, find and click on the option that says Communication and Content. This is where all the magic happens in setting how and what you hear from Amazon. Next, within the Communication and Content section, select Communication Preferences. Here you're presented with a summary of the different types of communications Amazon sends out. Everything from order updates to promotional offers. It's your control center for streamlining communications. Focus on the email preferences, where you'll need to locate the subsection specific to promotional or marketing emails. Amazon tends to categorize its emails into different segments, so make sure you're in the right place to handle those marketing messages. Within this section, there should be a clearly marked option that reads something like, "Do not send me any marketing emails for now." Check this box. What you're doing here is opting out of receiving promotional emails, thereby cutting down on the volume of marketing content arriving in your inbox. Finally, it's crucial to make sure your settings are saved. Look for a button labeled Update or something similar. Click it to confirm your changes. This step ensures that the preferences you just set are registered and will be complied with going forward. It might take a little time, but soon enough, you should notice a significant reduction in promotional emails. And there you have it. Simple, straightforward, yet powerful steps to take control of your Amazon communication preferences. Remember, adjusting these settings not only helps in decluttering your inbox, but also enhances your overall digital privacy. It gives you the freedom to choose what's important to you. If ever you wish to revisit or modify your choices, just follow these steps again. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you create a more tailored and manageable email experience with Amazon.